In this video, I'll show you how to use Chatgpt to analyze PDF files. First, open Chatgpt and sign into your account. Once you're on the main screen, start a new chat. Next, locate the attachment button near the message box. Click it and select the PDF file you want Chatgpt to analyze. Wait for the file to finish uploading before moving to the next step. Once the PDF has been uploaded, tell Chatgpt exactly what you want to learn from the document. For example, you can ask Chatgpt to summarize the PDF, explain key points, identify important findings, extract action items, create study notes, or answer specific questions about the content. After that, submit your request and allow Chatgpt a few moments to process the file. The larger the PDF, the longer the analysis may take. Now, review the response carefully. If you need more details, continue asking follow-up questions. You can request a chapter-by-chapter summary, ask for definitions of complex terms, identify trends, compare sections of the document, or have Chatgpt explain information in simpler language. Next, if you're working with reports, contracts, research papers, or business documents, ask Chatgpt to highlight the most important information. You can also request a list of key takeaways, risks, recommendations, deadlines, or action items based on the contents of the PDF. After that, continue refining the analysis by asking more specific questions. The more specific your prompts are, the more useful the responses will be. Instead of asking for a general summary, try asking for insights related to a particular topic, section, or objective. Now, if the PDF contains tables, data, or financial information, ask Chatgpt to explain the numbers, identify patterns, or summarize the most important findings. This can save a significant amount of time when reviewing large documents. Finally, if you need to save the results, copy the analysis into your notes, document editor, or project workspace for future reference. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Chatgpt to analyze PDF files. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.